Hello guys, the connection is excellent and I am on time and hope everything is good for you guys. So hi. So as you can see, the market has a big correction, and this I'm not predicting anything, but the reason I'm speaking right now, because 2 weeks ago, okay, we have sold all our shares, especially not this Friday, the other Friday. I told all my subscribers to sell everything they have, especially going long. And I was right again the second time. Now, being right is just because of the news, the bad news that it is circulating about coronavirus, about especially coronavirus. Okay, it's too much, because now there is a pressure on the stock market. And understand, this is the time where Wall Street guys come to do something. Okay, they hit the market. So in this live for today, we try to see solutions to market downtrend and crash, whatever you call it, and I will explain and I will give you the solutions. It might help you in this situation. Hello, Jocelyn. Thank you very much for coming, and thank you very much for the guys who are hiding. I see some people are hiding, but it's okay since you are listening. So please, since as usual, I will be waiting just a few minutes. I will just explain a little bit, and then I begin my lesson. It means, as you might know, what I do in this live. First, I will expose what I have. Hello, Top Series. How are you? I will expose what I have and what I did in the last 2 weeks. Hello, Fabian. Thank you very much for coming. So I will explain this. If you can remember, guys, those guys who have been with me many years, especially the beginning of 2018, when I have made hello Artkov, hello Duna, thank you very much for coming. So if you remember, guys, you can just go to 27 January on Saturday, 27 January 2018. It's not I predicted. I just felt that the market is pushed too much up. Okay? I see analysts in January asking people to buy because 2018 will be the best year, because 17 was good, so 18 it will be good. Now, when I see a lot, whenever most of the time I don't go. I told you before, I am not a guy to see the news. But whenever I open my email, or I just get something pop out that stock market is excellent and just buy, and they see like this, I see news popping out, because what did happen 2018 is different from now, but it's the same system. It's all about Wall Street, what they are doing in the market. Okay, so I will explain 2018. And then when I finish, I go to now and explain. I have the same feeling that there is something wrong, and this something wrong, I express it in not to buy long. I sold all my shares, and I asked my subscribers to sell all their shares. Okay, so I will tell you the reason. Tony, how are you, Tony? Okay, so in 2018, all the years I have been in YouTube, I have never said that there is a market crash or market correction. I have never said. You just go to my videos, the whole thousands of videos I have made. Before I made a lot of videos, one video a day, but right now I will stop all that because it doesn't help my channel that much, okay? Because YouTube algorithm has changed and it's not anymore. They don't help the people who work hard on YouTube, okay? Anyone who just put his cat and laugh with his cat, he can get millions of views. So it's like stupid. YouTube changed. Now, so during all these years, I have never, let's say, predicted, because I don't predict. I feel things. Now, when I feel, this feeling is based on my experience. When I see something wrong in the market. Now, in 2018, this is the first time I see analysts advertise a lot. Whenever I go online, I just go to my email, Facebook, I see that ads popping out. Buy, buy, buy. And the people, they believe Wall Street guys because they think they will help them for free. And this is the worst mistake that you can do in your life. Thinking that Wall Street guys, when they come to CNN or CNBC or mutual funds or these guys that are called gurus on TVs, and they have a lot of money, they are getting paid too much money. Do you think they will help you just for free because they have time for you? It's not. And this is the problem. In Wall Street, it is all about the money, about the interest. So, what did happen in 2018? The first month of January, when I see the ads, I begin to see the market going crazy. Okay? You can check that. The first month of 2018, it was crazy. It was doing good as 2017. No problem. For me, in 27 January, I make a live. Some of you, maybe you can remember if you are with me like that long, 2018 in January 27, you can go and check my channel to the 27 January on my live. I did, I think, 2 hours and a half speaking about solutions to market crash. I have never done that. And I give the reasons, the same reasons I give now. I explain them. It's the same thing. Now, why these guys, these gurus, this TV well-known person, they ask you to buy? What's the reason? Do you think they work for you for free? These guys who make millions of dollars a year, they just come on the TV and they help you for nothing because you are watching TV? Understand that TV, big websites, they are the manipulator of everything. They can do whatever they want because the people, they watch them and they believe that they know the future. When I say they know the future, yes, because what they promise you is the future. But what did they tell you? They always tell you last year. They tell you two things that you can even try to when you go to any article online of these guys. Two things they will tell you, okay, that are true. Now, what are these two things that are true? They will tell you that stock market last year was good. Yes, this is truth. You can't deny that. I can't deny it. That, for example, 2019 was good. Yes, it was good. 2018, no, it wasn't. 2019, yes. Okay? So this is something true. Yes? Yes. Second thing they will tell you it's true. They say, we don't own stocks. Yes. The guys who are analysts, they put it in writing under their article. They always tell you that we don't own any share of these stocks that we are speaking about. We don't. which is true. They don't. Because if they own, let's say someone owns Facebook. Let's say this guy owns Facebook, and they say, "Oh, come to the people, all buy Facebook because from 200 it goes to 1,000." It means here that he is advertising and he is pushing people to buy. Okay, and this is something risky in the market, and they can go after him. Okay, but when they say the whole market is going good, no one cares, because it's just an opinion, and he will tell you that my opinion, it is just an opinion. But why do they tell you their opinion? Why they tell you buy? They tell you buy to understand this thing very, very well, not to be mistaken in your future, is because they are paid. It's not neutral. It's not just someone who is working for CNN. He is getting millions of dollars, because when they say millions, people they think it's not. Yes, some people get millions of dollars. They get them cash or whatever, but they see the result. Hello, NASA. But they see the result in 2018. From the beginning of the January, you begin that the market is going up. Why? It's just because the people, they begin to buy heavily. People who believe in these guys, they begin to buy and to wait, and each day, each week, this stock has done 5%, this stock has done 10%, and you see the big stocks going up so crazy. Now, when you see money coming, you believe that they know something that you don't know. But it's the opposite. The problem in this case is the opposite. They want you to buy. Why? Why they want you to buy and to make money? It's just because they are good people. They are staying in their home, or they are working for TV, and they come to you, they say buy Facebook, and then you can make money, and then that's it. So never be naive. Okay? Never be naive of these things. So what is the reason? The reason is that these people are paid because mutual funds are selling. After 2019, the stock market has made a lot of money. So in order to change the stocks, what they do, they should sell some stocks and replace them. But understand that mutual funds, all of them, when they begin to sell, it will be a big shake in the market. Like this week. You see how this week, how the whole market is shaking? It's this. They are selling. Okay? Selling, and we have another thing that I will speak about later, which is not just selling. It's mainly it is selling short. It's not mutual funds are selling, because mutual fund, when they want to sell, they are not stupid. Because if they begin to sell, the whole market will be going down, and they lose money, because they lose a lot of their profits. For example, when they sell, for example, let's say Apple, it was let's say it was 330. Why they should lose $30 like in a few days because they are selling? No, they don't want to lose $30. What they do is, if like in 2018, let's say Apple was 200, just an example, okay? They don't want to sell at 200. Like a 2nd or 3rd of January. They don't want to sell at 200. They want to sell, for example, at 250. Now, how do they get from 200 to 250, which is a lot of money? What they do? They advertise that the market is so good and buy. This is the thing. Hello, Enoch Crystallian. Okay? So this is the secret, what they do. So in 2018, The stock market is beginning to go up because of the push of these guys, analysts. They ask people to buy, and they see it because there is some truth. Because listen, when these guys are asking people to buy, they begin to buy and they see the stocks are going up. So they think that these guys are right. But here is the catch. After I made the solutions to market crash or market correction, Tuesday, it means I did the live on Saturday. On Tuesday, the market began to crash for real. The mutual fund began to sell for real. So all this that you gain in January is gone. And most of the people, they lose their money from all January, and they begin to go to 2019 profits, and they go down. So all the people who bought in January, they lose money. So it is just a trick in the market. Now people who don't know, they try to give other reasons. It is because this, it is because of anything. Even someone who has a headache, and he goes to the hospital, they say it's because of that. It means they want to not to tell the truth, and that's a problem. Okay, so this is 2018. 2019. Okay, 2 weeks ago, I did not buy stocks. I sold the stocks 2 weeks ago. The Friday of 2 weeks ago, not this Friday, not the other Friday, the other Friday. So 2 weeks. So why I sold? Because I see this coronavirus news begin to go to our market, especially when we have some cases here. And today I think, or yesterday, they say that there is one who died in Washington, in some county, like in the north west of USA. There is the first death. So I was thinking that there should be some news coming which are bad. This is just a general thing. So not Friday, the other Friday, I think in the 21st of Friday, I ask all my subscribers to sell, and I sell all my long positions. I have many long positions. I sold them all. Why? Because I'm not telling you I get scared, but because I see the news, I begin to see a lot of talk about this coronavirus here in USA. And I understand that Wall Street is just making a day or a week to hit the market. So not this week, the other week, on Monday and on Friday, the market has been hit. Okay? Monday and Friday. Not this week, the other week. So it was just an experiment of Wall Street guys. They see how the market respond, and they respond good. It means it goes down good. So and this week Wall Street comes. Now when Wall Street comes, Wall Street guys, they sell short. This has nothing to do with mutual funds. Understand that these guys, don't you think that it is like 1 million, 5 million people, hedge funds? When you speak about hedge funds, some they have thousands of billions in their hands. It means when they go to the market, they hit it. And they hit it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The whole week was red. And it is too much. It falls. It's like, it is not like a downtrend when it's going down a little bit, but it was like a crash. Like what did happen in February. What did happen February 2018? It's the same thing. But this year, we don't know that it will be just a correction in the market, a big correction, or it will be a downtrend. This is what I will be explaining in this session. Okay? NASA and top series, they are beginning to they say Ben Michaud, how are you? Top series and NASA, they write something. So please guys, you write your comments as you like, you ask questions as you like, and when I finish working on this lesson or this exposition of these ideas, and then we get to your questions and I answer them. Okay? Now, this week is a correction. Now, what's the difference between correction and crash? It is just terms that we use, but normally when we say crash of the market, it should continue as a downtrend. It's not 1 week. It takes 5 months, 6 months, like 2018. So don't think that a crash is only a few days. Few days, now it is called a correction. Correction, it means that there is a big sell-off with guys who are Wall Street guys. So Wall Street guys, they are day traders. They are not what you think they can take positions like down for 2 days, for 5 days. And most of them are what we call day traders. Now, these day traders, they belong to big brokers, to banks, it means just, and you see how it is planned. Why the whole market, which has thousands and thousands of billions of dollars, crash? Who will push this down? It means, I'm not saying there is manipulation in the market or there is conspiracy as the people say, but there is something going on. Okay, it's always like this. Okay, it's not something easy, and you will never know what's going on. What you see is their hands when they hit the market. Now, if mutual funds are selling, or they know they are selling, okay, it's a feast for these day traders and these swing traders. They do a long position, but understand this, it's risky for them. That's why most of them what they do it for a short time. They don't do it for 1 year. No, they do it for a few days and they stop. They buy back their shares, because selling short is to buy back your shares when you sell short. Now this week there is no buying back. There is some people who did it, but mostly are day traders, because day trader in the morning, he sells short. At the end of the day, or before the market really closes at 8 p.m., they can buy back. Especially those who have big positions. Big positions. Okay? So they are day traders. There are some swing traders who work, for example, 1 week, 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, and then they begin to buy back. Because there is what we call a reverse. Now, reverse, when you see a green candlestick after this red candlesticks, and you see it, sometimes it is big. I'm telling you, it could be a Monday, it could be Tuesday, it could be, I don't know where it will be, but it should be something going as a reverse. The stock market is going down, and then there is a reverse going up. Okay? So, guys, yes, continue writing or asking questions, and I will answer your questions later. Okay, I will just finish what I'm saying. Okay, so what will happen in the future is just something that there is a scenario that I will show it to you. So there should be a day where it is green, because the people will, those people who short for many days, they should buy back because they are selling short. They have made a lot of money. They should exit. And it's very dangerous. What if some mutual funds, they go and buy these shorts? Do you know what will happen to them? They will be in trouble. Because when you have a very big position, billions of dollars position, and someone bigger than you, because I understand that mutual funds are bigger than hedge funds. Hedge funds, they can sell short. But understand that mutual fund, they can only sell and they can only buy. The normal thing, they can't sell short. Because they own too much in the market. That's why the Security Exchange Commission, the thing that the government agency that regulates the stock market, it doesn't allow them to sell short. This is for real. They don't. Because they have a lot of money. If they want to sell short, all the market will be crushed. Okay? So they don't. So, after this week, that we have seen, all is red. There will be next week a green candlestick, which I suppose it will be big. People are buying back. It means they buy the shares that they sell short. And understand that selling short is you borrow shares from the broker, you should bring it back to them as shares. Whatever is the price. If the price go up, you should buy it, and you should whatever is the price. So now after this, what will happen after the green candlestick? It could be red candlestick after, it could be two, it could be green. But if the market continues to have a trend, it could be just a correction. It means that the stock market will not continue to go down into a downtrend. So it will go up, and everything will be fine. And it's very good to buy at a discount. I have a training that it is called How to Buy at a Discount. It will explain to you what to do and how to buy and how to exit and everything. So I will, if you go to my website, guys, I have put all the solutions into ebooks and videos, and you can just check them. If you are interested, you can check them. Okay. So I'll just put there are 2 by videos and 3 ebooks. So you can go and check my website. Check my website, and on the top you will find 2 training by videos and 3 by ebooks. Just check them when you have time. If you are interested, you can check the training and you can get the solutions. Now, I will just give you an idea about the solutions, but the training, it's a training, okay? So, I know that most of you, if you are day traders, you begin to sell short. This is normal. This is normal because this is the feast of day trading. Day traders, it is their feast. It means it is the time they can. Most of the day traders, they make money. If you don't make money, all the days are going down and you don't make money, it means I don't know which strategies you are take. it means you have trouble if you don't make money where everybody is making money, because these are special days. Everybody is selling short. Okay, there are only exceptions. I will like the tin foil. Israel has said G-Lead did good. I will check it later and see this stock. So I will answer your questions and statement later. So let's continue just with the solutions. The first solution is day trading, selling short. So I have a training about selling short. You can see the techniques that I use, and it's okay. Now, it means that from the beginning of the day, if you have a strategy and you have tried it before and you are making money from it, it's very good. Now, if you don't have strategy, you can check my training, number 11, how to sell short a stock the easy way. You can find techniques and you can use them in the morning, okay? Even if you have never sold short, you need to have a margin account. Because if you have a cash account, you are not allowed to sell short. Okay? So this is something that most of you know, but the new guys who have never sold short and have never sold short, so you should know that if you have a cash account, it means the broker. There are two types of account. One is called cash account. It means you can just go long. You can go short by using ETFs, inverse ETFs. This is training level 18, and I put it in the website. You can check it how to short the whole market. This is with ETFs, with indexes, not stocks, but ETFs. ETFs, which is indexes. Okay, so if you want to sell short, you should be a day trader. You can be a swing trader also. I will show you the thing. So you should have a margin account. And you try, even if you want just to try, you have never tried that, don't buy too much. You can, even if you don't want just to try, you go to Facebook, to Apple, you buy only one share. It doesn't matter. It means you are just trying. And you see how things work for you. Okay? So it's better before you be in big positions. You should learn how to sell short, because it is not an easy thing. You should know when to exit if things are wrong. Let's say next week you want to sell short. The market in the morning begins to go down, and then you sell short, and then it begins to go good, up, like the green candlestick I'm speaking about. If you continue selling short and all the people are going long, you will lose a lot of money. So understand, you should be a day trader. You should train yourself, and this needs time. You don't have to think about make money. Think to train yourself first. Okay? Because people, they want to just to make money and very quick. You are doing a business. Business needs time. Okay? It's not easy just you come, someone tells you a trick, and then you begin to make money. This is not gambling. This is a business that you should learn, you should practice. And this is, I always tell you guys, you should practice. Hello, Uber. Thank you very much for coming. So, this is the first thing. Now, there is what we call selling short in swing trading. In swing trading, it means you follow the trend, down the trend. That's why when I write solution to market downtrend, it means when there is a market downtrend. Downtrend is when the market continues to go down week by week, month by month, and the whole year will be red. This is what we call a downtrend or swing trading. It means you take positions and you sell short. This is what you should do. But understand that this is good and it is also risky. So when you sell short in swing trading, I make a training. It's just an ebook. I didn't make videos. So you should be sure that these companies, if you want to learn that these companies are doing bad, it means in their fundamentals, which is a very good thing to know. You should search when you find a company like this. For me, in the subscription, my golden subscription and silver subscription, I have explained this today in my videos. I have explained how to sell short, like in swing trading, and I have explained a lot in many videos. So guys who have the golden subscription or silver subscription, you will find these videos. So you will find a training. Now, so we have spoken about selling short in day trading. We have spoken about selling short in swing trading. Now, what is the other third thing that you can do? Is to short the indexes. You don't short the stocks. Now, an index, when you want to short it, you should use the ETF. Now, the ETF, when you sell it short, you can either sell it short if you have a margin account. But let's say you don't have a margin account, you have only cash. You can use what you call inverse ETFs. And this, the training that I have done, you can find it by ebook or by videos. It shows you how to select these indexes, how to follow them, when to sell short, and when to exit. So it's the whole complete training. Okay? Now, so this is the third thing, is you short the indexes which are, because you can't short the index itself, but the ETF, exchange traded fund, because the exchange traded fund is like something that tracks the index. Whatever the index is doing, this ETF is doing. Okay? And you can also, if you have a margin account, you can sell short these ETFs, because ETFs, it's like a stock. You can buy long, you can sell short, as normal as it is. Okay, is the same as a stock, but it doesn't track a stock. It tracks the whole index. Like for example, Dow Jones Industrial Average. What is the thing that tracks it is the DIA. Okay, which is ETF. Now, so this is the third thing I'm speaking about. The fourth thing I'm trying to speak about is options. I have another training about options, how to use it in selling short, in swing trading. Okay? You take my training as a swing trading when you go long, and you do the opposite. That's it. But in my training, in the ebook, I explain the ways when you buy, for example, put options. What are the criteria? And if the option is not doing good, what you do, and then how to stay long, what kind of option you buy, put option, because there are a lot. There is in the money, out of the money, and at the money. Okay? And which one you can make a lot of money from it. Okay? Okay? I will, Tony, I will answer your question about why it says hard to borrow. I will explain that from your broker. Because understand, So this is generally the fourth or the fifth, because I say 5 things. You can sell short in day trading. You can sell short in swing trading, following a downtrend. You can sell short in ETF. You can short the whole index ETF, and you can use options. These are 5 ways to deal with selling short in general when the market goes down. Now, if you want to be safe, don't trade. Do not trade. That is the safest thing. You don't know what is going on. The market is going down. It can go up. It can go down. So there is no way to know what's the direction. Because in swing trading, as we do, you should have an idea about a trend, either uptrend or downtrend. There should be a trend. But if the stocks one day or two it goes up, the other day it goes down, so this is difficult. You should do day trading. Because day trading, you don't need a trend. You need only the trend in the day. Is it going down? Is it going up? That's it. So you have shorter time, yes, because it's only the day. But if it is a bad day and you short, you can make a lot of money. So you should be a day trader. Now, who will be hit in a correction or a downtrend? I'm telling you the truth. The people who will be hit too much are investors for the long run. You see, before 2 weeks ago, even 1 week ago, if you have some investment, you will see that you have lost a lot of money. All what you did in January or some of February or something, because we are now, tomorrow, we will be, if God wills, we will be in March. So the 1st of March, what does it mean? It means all February is gone, or January is gone, according to your investment. I don't know what you are in, but you see that you have lost a lot of money. And this is just a correction. What if it is a downtrend? A downtrend, it means that the stock market continue to go down. What does it mean? It means you see that your money, all your money is going down. Another thing that it is very, very important to know, that everybody in America who uses these retirement plans, all of you guys, you will see your money going down. Especially if they are all in stocks, not in bonds or other things. Okay? So understand that you will be losing a lot of money. Well, and the fees, because mutual funds in 401k, there are fees, okay? So you will be paying fees. But you will not see these fees because it's taken inside and you will never know. You should say just check fees, okay? So, in general, as I told you, last week, before the Friday, it means not this Friday, last Friday, I told my subscribers, my subscribers, the golden subscribers, silver subscribers, and the other guys who are in penny stock, or I told them not to trade too much. If you have big stocks, sell them, because most 99.99 okay, most of the stocks, it's me, especially big stocks, the whole market, Dow Jones, S&P 500, what is it else, and Russell 2000. So I will just, before we go, I will just show you what's going on. At least you will see. Okay. Now look at the chart, please. So you see the trend that we were following. You see? Now this is the trend. I sold here. Now I know that many people, they don't believe. For example, they don't believe me. If I told you that the 21st I sold almost all my shares, and I ask, so here is the deal. For example, those who don't believe, you say, how do you know? How do you know that this week will be bad? I don't know. But I felt the market news are coming these weeks, because whenever you go online, you begin to see coronavirus. It goes to 30 countries, it goes to 36, it goes to 40, and someone now, the tinfoil Israel, he said 60 countries. 60 countries, it means it's a global contamination. And it kills. If they don't find a very quick antivirus, very quick, in order to contain this virus, it's a big outrageous contamination for the whole world. Okay, and it's very, very dangerous. So because it kills people, it's not just like a flu or like a cold when you cough a little bit and you are okay. But this can kill people. And in China, 2,700, I think, were killed. It means it's a big number. 2,700 or something like that. Okay. So, let's go to the chart. Before we do the chart, in order to get that I did, it's like a proof that I told my subscribers to sell. You can check it. If you go to do a subscription, golden subscription or silver subscription in my channel, in my website, you go there and you do for 1 month. You will go back and you check 21st of last Friday, 21st of February. You find the video and I will show you my my trading account, and it's empty. This week is empty. Okay? I bought, at the exception, I bought 2 stocks on Friday because they were so strong. So I thought that these stocks will continue to be going, but I was wrong. On Monday I sold them. Just 2 stocks. And all the other stocks I sold them because all they were weak. Now, I exactly sold them on the 21st. This is because of my experience. When I see something wrong, I tell you guys that there is something wrong in the market. And this is just because of my experience. It's not because I see things in the future. No, I don't see. If I see, I will be a billionaire in 1 month. I don't see anything. But it is just the market news can hit at any moment. Right now, today, there is one guy who is dead in USA, in Washington, northwest of USA. On Monday, I don't know if this could be another hit to the market, or it could be something green because there are good news, or because they make an antivirus, because Trump told them that by March this coronavirus will be going away. I don't know. Maybe he has made some antivirus and he's I don't know. This is what they say in general. Okay. So let's go to the chart and I show you where I sold. So I sold here at this price here. Okay, like in Dow Jones here. So this is the trend. Is going up, and then this is where I sold. Now here Dow Jones was 289. From 289, it goes 254. Okay? So we have 6, 26, $31. But understand that some stocks, they lost a lot. Let's see Apple. Apple was 324 to 273. So it is more than Dow Jones. It goes down 2 more. And guys, I will let you know that in our trading account we have been following this, and I sold it here. So I will show you where we sold it. At least you'll see that I sold it here in this candlestick. So I will take this in order to not to be mistaken. Okay? So see this. This is the point I sold. And this is how the market is doing for Apple. Apple, Facebook, and the other stocks is the same. Because all they do the same as stock market. Now, Dow Jones, as you can see, Russell 2000, this is Friday, 21st February. See how bad it is. And see when you go like this, see, because it is vertical, it means it is some people who have done it very, very quick. It's not like those here that you can see the stock market is going down and down and down. This is a downtrend, clear downtrend, but this is something sudden. This is a big correction. S&P 500, it is the same thing, see? We sold it here at this. Whatever stock that we have in S&P 500, for example, we sold it here. So you see this. Now we go to silver. Silver has been going down too also. And gold also. Gold not that much, but just Friday was so bad. Okay, so let's go back. So, I think now it's 52 minutes, 42 seconds or so. So, most of the time I have finished the solutions, the 5 or 6 solutions I give you. So, in general, those people, since you don't know the trend, you should not trade, especially in swing trading. You only trade when you see something good. Either you buy long or you sell short. Now for me, I will wait until next week and see what's going on next week, and then I take the decision either to go long for some stocks or to sell short in swing trading or in day trading. I don't do that much, okay? I don't do. And understand that in swing trading, when you sell short, be careful because you are paying interest rate. If you are a swing trader, it means you stay for many days. You can stay for 1 month or 2 or 3. Understand that if your broker is charging too much, you will be losing a lot of money. It means you are working for him. I see some brokers, they ask 10%. 10% is too much because it is not the market interest rate. In the market now, if you have a loan, they can charge you 4%, 3 and 350%, 5%, but not 10%. Okay? 10% is too much as an interest rate, because even if you are making money, understand that 10% is gone of the profit is gone to your broker. Okay? And if you are day trader, it's better. Because day trader, they don't charge you for the margin account. They don't charge you interest rate, which is excellent. Okay, which is excellent. Now, there is another thing that you should be aware of. I will tell you. I have told you many times this thing, but don't forget it. Is the earning news. Okay, earning news. When you are selling short, especially in swing trading, be careful of earning news. Whenever there is earning news in the stock, you should not buy it. If you have bought it and it's near, you should exit. You should exit this stock. Because what if you have a gap up? If you are selling short and you give a gap up, you will be ruined. You will be losing your shirt. Especially in penny stocks. Okay. NASA said, but some IPOs goes up. Yes, I will speak to you about them. I will speak to you about them right now. Now, the stock market, let's say 95% of stocks follow each other. It means day traders, they like the stocks that are liquid. It means stocks that are known. Facebook, Apple, Tesla, any stock that it is known. So there are a lot of traders. So when they come to it, they can make a lot of money in short time because we have a lot of short sellers. Now, what is the exception in the stock market? Where do you find stocks that go up? You can find them in IPOs or penny stocks. So this, sometimes it is an exception. And I sometimes, when the market is bad, I go to some penny stocks and I buy some. Not too much, but I buy some. Okay? And I go long and the stocks can go up and you can make money. IPOs also. Because IPOs, which are called initial public offering, they have a momentum by themselves. They don't follow the market. For example, a company, it is a well-known company and enters to stock market. It might go for 1 week, 2 weeks, or 1 month. So good. Now, why is that? It's just because it has a momentum by itself. It doesn't follow the stock market. Okay? It doesn't follow it. But not all of them. Some of them. Okay? So, these are the exceptions that I have spoken about. So, guys, those who come late or they don't come at the beginning, you can watch tomorrow this live again. And if you have questions, please, when you comment on my videos, please, if you have questions that it is urgent, please send me an email. Because when you comment, sometimes I don't get a notification of your comment, and you are waiting for me, and for me I don't know. So it is better to send me an email, or it is better to join me like in Facebook Messenger. So you can put my name, you find my profile, and you send me a direct message. Or you go to one of my Facebook pages and you send me a message. But like for example for Facebook Messenger, you can use my own name and you can find me and you can add me as a friend and you can send me. There are a lot of friends, a lot of students who send me messages directly, because Facebook, I know most of the people, they use Facebook and they just see my name and just send me without waiting, without going to your email and send me emails. If something is very detailed, or you can send me an email as usual. So if you need my Facebook profile, you can see my name, Abdelkarim Ramain. So Abdelkarim Ramain is my name. Djellala is my business name. So some people, they say, hi Djellala. No, I am not. It's not my name. So here is my name. You just put my name in Facebook, you find me, you add me, and then you don't want to add me, just send me a message directly, and I can speak to you. Or you can just send me an email as usual. My email is always there in all my videos. But some people who don't know, you can just send me an email, which is very, very easy. It means just take your email, send me whatever you want or questions. Or if you are going to check the website, you have question about the training, what you are looking for, you can just send me an email. You say, what is this that I'm searching for? I can help you. Okay? Now, we have 1 hour. I have finished what I want to tell you. For the training, you find it in the website. If you want to subscribe and just to check what I am saying, or you have questions for subscription, you can send me an email. Now, I will begin reading what you have written, and then I can answer them. Okay? Now, all of you guys, thank you very much for coming. Now we begin with NASA. NASA said, a lot of opportunities to buy from the support line last Friday when short sellers cover their positions. Now listen, last week I just showed you we are waiting for this green candlestick. No, there is no. I don't see it. Now you might see it in other stocks, but for me, I want to see the whole market. But this is an opportunity. You can do that, but there is a lot of risks. So you should know what you are doing. That's why I make the training. The training explains to you when you buy, when it is good for you to stay, when it is not good to stay. So this is what we call risk. It means when you do something, you know what you are doing. You know if something happened, how to react. It's not just to buy and wait. Buying and wait means nothing. You can buy and wait, and the position will be against you. You buy long, and the next few days the stock market crashes more down, and you are staying until the market goes back to you. And you hope that the market will stop. Understand, this is one of the biggest mistakes of traders. You hope that the market will be going on or going long, and you buy and you don't sell short. This is the biggest mistake you can do, and you can regret it too much if you are a beginner. You don't know what's going on. So why I make this training? It is just to give you the guidelines. The guidelines shows you what to do. Okay? When to buy, when it's good, when it is not good. Let's say you buy for the green candlestick, you buy. The next day, it collapses. It's a red candlestick. So you begin to lose money. Now you say to yourself, let's see another day. And then another day, you lose 10%, 50%, or 20% in a stock. You will be losing all your money because you are not thinking, you are not applying the rules. That's why for me, the best thing you can do is apply rules. Do not be naive. Do not be psychological weak. This is business. This is business. Either you make money or you lose money. So you should know, even if you lose money, little money, this is okay. Because whenever you do something, you try a trade. A trade is an opportunity. But an opportunity, it might be not good. So, in order to see if it is good or bad, you should do it. You should do the trade. After a few days, the stock market tells you if you are correct. Let's say you go long after the green candlestick 1 or 2 or 3. Stock market is going up. The market tells you that you are good, and you will be seeing everything good in your account. So the market is speaking to you, okay, giving you information. Let's say, guy, you bought in the green. After a few days, 1 week, you are making money. So what does it mean? You are right. But what if the next day or the other day you begin to lose money? It is red. It shows you by colors. And hope you see colors, because if you see only, there are some people who have problem with the colors. They see only white and black. They don't see colors. So you should change your change with my chart. You can change the chart to white and black. When it is black, it means the stock market is going down. When it is white, it means the stock market is going up. So you can do that. But if you are good, your eyes are good, and you see it is red, and you say, let's stay 1 week and see what's going on. Okay, let's see. It means as if you are going to a party and you see if it is good or bad. No, you are not going to a party. You are doing business. Either you make money or you lose money. So you should be sure what you are doing, and you should know how to react. Because your opinion is what makes you a successful trader or loser. It's your opinion about the market. Why sometimes you find people selling short, some people going long? Because it is the opinion that you have of the market. Just your opinion. We have only two opinions. Either you go long or you sell short. There is no other opinion. Or you get out and you don't trade. Like me. Last week I didn't trade. I trade only a few positions in penny stocks and IPOs. They go down a little bit, but on Friday they go up. So I will see on Monday. Tuesday, if things continue to go green, I will staying. If not, I will sell. So you should always search for opportunities and have a good idea what you are doing. Because when you know what you are doing, you will become a good trader and successful trader in the future. You know what you are doing. Something is against you, you exit. Don't think about how much you lose. You lose 5%, 10%. Because if you don't exit on time, what does it mean? You will be losing 20%, 30%, 50%. Some stocks are so wild. And don't say this stock, I have never seen this stock goes 2%. Who tells you? Did the stock send you an email and they say I will never go 2% down or 3% or 5%? Did the stock market communicate with you and they say no, this stock will not go down? Did you see a dream or a nightmare? Or someone, you sleep and someone is speaking to you about what will happen in the stock market? So try to be logical. Without being logical and using math, you will lose whatever you are. Psychological weakness is a problem in trading. You should be firm. Okay? You should be firm. You do a trade, it doesn't work. Exit. Don't stay. Why you should stay? You hope that the market is going up? People are, you find hedge funds, you find mutual funds are selling, and you are against them? How can you win? They crush you. That's why all the people who have long positions, they stay this week, and it means this week that we have, last week, everybody is losing a lot of money. A lot of money. I am so grateful to my experience and to my students, subscribers who I said them exit, they exit all. If some people they still there, they will lose a lot of money and they don't listen. Although I don't know the future, but sometimes it is something that you can see. It's like when there is when you are driving and there is snow or there is an icy streets in the morning. It was raining and in the morning there is ice. So the probabilities to make an accident is more when it is sunny, when there is no rain, no ice, no snow. Okay? So even in driving, when it is like when there is a snow, you drive slower than when it is good. So you understand that you should decide what to do. there are some times where trading is very difficult, except when you are a day trader. For swing traders like us, if there is no trend, there is no way to trade. How can you trade? You don't know the trend. You don't have an idea where the market is going. So you will be trying and losing money, and this is not good in swing trading. Swing trading, we should follow stocks, we should follow the market. Okay? And if there is an opportunity, we buy, because everything is going up, most of them, and you can make money easily, at ease. Why you go into a troubled market and you want to go long and the market is going down? Because someone tells you, oh, no, the stock market will stop and it will go up. But you will never know when it will go up and for how long. Maybe it's there is a reverse for Monday, and on Tuesday it will crash again. You will be losing a lot of money. So another thing that you can do is minimize your trading. Minimize it means if you have $10,000, use 2,000 only. Don't put 10,000 in the market and you don't know nothing, since the market is bad. Okay. So NASA said a lot of opportunities to buy from support line last Friday when short sellers cover their positions. For me, I did not see that. I will show you the proof. So, see the proof. I'm not speaking about some stocks, I'm speaking about the general market. I will give you a proof that right now it is not. Now, see the Dow Jones. Where is this? Where do you see the green here? The stock market for the Dow Jones has gone $2.90.94. It means 1.14%. It's continuing to go down. Where is the green? Where you have seen the green? In some stocks, it could be. It could be in some stocks, but understand, this is the general market. It can collapse again. Like when we see, let's see Facebook. Yes, Facebook, it was so good. It was so good, but we will never know on Monday. Today, for example, we have someone who is dead from coronavirus. Maybe on Monday, maybe it collapses again. But if there is some good news, Facebook will go up. Now, Apple, for example, it didn't show any strength. Oh, no, it was going up. It lost only 16 cents. Yes, it was going up, but it's not green because it doesn't touch Thursday. Because Thursday was $273.52, and this $273.36. Here is 52 cents, and here is 36 cents. It means the stock market was doing very, very good, but it doesn't show this, so we should wait until next week and then we can see that. Okay, so don't jump very, very quick on opportunities without making sure it is a good thing. Okay, now let's go to top series. He said stock market could skyrocket once again when the first corona vaccine is developed, but as always, nothing is certain. Yes, it could be. Trump has said in I think in beginning of February that in March corona will be out. I don't know how. Maybe he knows something about coronavirus. Maybe there are some pharmaceutical laboratories that are working on them, and they find the antivirus, and they are trying on this. If this is a good news, the whole market can go up again very, very good. And it's the opportunity to buy. Okay? It could be an opportunity to buy. But hope so the market will be going up again, and it's good. But we don't know. We will never know. Okay? Let's see some other. NASA said corona-related stocks did well last week. I don't know. I am not aware about this corona-related stocks. You can give me one or two. I can check if they are drug companies. Please give me one stock or two. I can check for you because I don't know. The tin foil Israel, he said 60 countries. And you say G-Lead did good. Let's see G-Lead. Let's see this stock. Where is this G-Lead did good? Where? Hello, who's this guy? The tin foil Israel. Where is this G-Lead did good? Where? I show you the chart. It lost 3.30%. $3.30. It means 4.54%. See? So, do you think about this in the morning? The morning, yes, it opens high, but it goes from 78 to 72. It was bad. So these 2 days it was bad. Yes, here on Tuesday it was good, but guys, don't see one day. Try to see the trend where it's going. Okay, so there is no. This is bad. This is bad. So maybe NASA could give me a stock that is going up. Is better. Now, let's go and continue the others. Tony said, I will never short a stock because I don't like how it works, but I do want to know why it says hard to borrow on some broker for shorting. Yes, this is a good question. It means for you guys, those who don't know, when you want to sell short and the broker doesn't accept, it says hard to borrow. So what does it mean? It means that the broker have no shares to be sold. He hasn't, because all the people they have sold. And understand, this is the funny thing. Okay? This is the funny thing. Is that the broker gives you the shares of investors. The investors, they don't know their shares are sold. Because they don't know. The broker knows. And he take these shares and he bring it to you. And you sell them. Now, sometimes some brokers, or most of the time, small brokers, or brokers that are not for day trading, they say to you, this stock has no shares to be sold. So you can't. So you should see other stocks, or you ask him directly, what are the stocks that you have shares on from your broker? You should call him. If you are interested to sell short. Or you just put 5 or 6 or 10 stocks and you go and you click sell short, sell short, sell short, and you see. If all are, it means hard to borrow. What does it mean? It means your broker really has no shares and just he has no shares. You can do nothing about that. You should change your broker to a good broker like Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers, for example, it is one of the biggest. Okay, one of the biggest, and I think it goes to stock market. I guess this year or last year. Let's see Interactive Brokers, because I know it is in the stock market. Yes, Interactive Brokers. Yes, Interactive Brokers Group. This is the the broker for day trading. The stock, their stock is not doing any good. It was 80, now it is 51. So they are losing money. I don't know. Okay? So this broker is using a lot of selling short because we have a lot of day traders. So that's why it's better than other big companies that big brokers that are for investment. Okay, not for selling short or whatever. Now, when you say I will never short a stock because I don't like how it works, yes, you are right. If you are not feeling very well, do not sell short. You are not obliged. But understand that if the market is going down, you have no way to make money. You can use options, but options is very good because what you put, if you lose it, you lose only what you put. And this is better on selling short on stocks because you can lose a lot. For example, you sell short, you put $200. You buy some puts, okay? Some puts of whatever stocks that you like. Now, what if the stock is going down? You can make money. But when you become greedy and you put $10,000, if it is going your way and it is going down, these puts will make you $1,000, $2,000, $5,000. But what if you are wrong? You will be losing a lot of money because this is options, it's not stocks. And you will be losing a lot of percentage. As you make a lot of percentage, you lose a lot of percentage, and you can lose all your money if there is a gap up, for example. Let's say you are going down and then there is a gap up tomorrow. That's why I told you, be careful. Be careful when there is earning news. Be careful. Okay? Duna said, I buy as Dow on Monday. Did I make a good decision? I think if you bought it on last Monday, you will be making money, right? I guess you have been making money. Jocelyn said, I think it's important to say that for the long that weren't quick enough to sell in time will only lose dollars if they sell. The market always come back. Yes, Jocelyn, yes, but who tells you that the market this year will come back? Who? Are you an investor? Since you are an investor, most of the time you are not a trader. Jocelyn, you should understand the difference between a trader or a swing trader and between an investor. Investor, you are looking for companies for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. So Jocelyn, you should understand the difference. Are you investing or are you trading? If you are trading, you should exit. Who tells you? There are some companies that will go bankrupt. How can you say the market go back? This is general. The market goes back for investors because it goes down this year. Next year, the other rate can go up. Yes. This, you are speaking about the general market, the general indexes, ETFs. Yes. Most of the time it is true. But what if it is 2008 when the market lost 50%? What do you think about that? Yes, the market comes back, but if you put 100,000 on the beginning of 208, at the end in 31st December, you will be losing 50% of your money. It means $50,000. If you have 1 million, you lost $500,000. So you should be an investor for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. At that time, you will be getting back your money if the market continues to go up and it comes back. But for stocks, no. For stocks, there are some companies that they go bankrupt. They don't go back. And I have showed you, let's give you the same example you can give me other examples if you want to. For example, yes, JCPenney. See, I will tell you what is the thing that goes back now that you have the idea. See, JCPenney, it was $87. Okay, $87 in 2007. 87. How much is it now? It is $69. 69 cents. 69 cents. It's not dollars. It is cents. Now I give you another examples. Sears. It was 195. Now it is 20 cents. Do you understand what does it mean 20 cents? If you put here $1 million here, now you have maybe $1,500 or $2,000, or all your money is gone. So you should speak about the general market, not about stocks. So you understand the difference? So you should have a clear idea, Jocelyn, about what you are talking about. Are you talking about the general market, which is indexes as ETFs, or where you are speaking about stocks? Stocks are very risky, are more risky than the general index. Okay? NASA said, but some IPO goes up even when the market is going down. Yes, I have just explained this before, and I said to you that there is an exception in the market. Penny stocks and IPOs, they have their own momentum. They are not following the market most of the time, okay? Some they follow, but some others they don't. So you understand? They don't. So, but it is very, very risky. I have done some this week. Not big stocks, but just IPOs and penny stocks. Just 2 or 3 or 4, and I am following them next week. If they are good, I will stay. If they are bad, I will sell them all. Not selling short. I'm going long. Okay. So, NASA said, I mean day trading long last Friday. Oh, you are going, you said day trading? Yes, day trading, it has nothing to do with the trend. Day trading, it doesn't matter. You should just know the trend or the fluctuation in the day, if it is long or short, that's it. You don't worry about yesterday. You don't worry about the future tomorrow. You worry about the day you are in. That's why day traders is very good in these cases. Hello, Daz. He said, Karin, please tell me what is the dark pool. I have no idea. What does it mean, this dark pool? I can check it online. I have no idea. So you can check it online. But is it related to trading? I have no idea about this dark pool. Never heard about. So here I see the explanation. They say a dark pool is a private forum for trading securities, derivatives, and other financial instruments. And dark pools allow investors to trade without exposure until after the trade has been executed. So what does it mean? What does it mean without exposure? It means, are you doing doing live, doing virtual trades and not executed, because when you execute a trade, you are at risk. So they say dark pools are not illegal per se, and one could argue that they play a useful limited role in the overall schemes of trading. However, dark pool that misrepresents its method of operation may be subject of legal action. Now, I don't know really, guys, Daz, you ask me a good question. I have never heard about these dark pools. Okay, there are some scammers, yes, I know about this. I have made a video before of scammers in penny stocks. Yes, they do a lot of scams, and sometimes some people make money, sometimes they lose all their money. It's like a manipulation. Now, for me, I am not into this kind of things. So stay away of these scams and scammers. You earned your money, you stay 1 year, 2 years, or 5 years making money and saving them, and then you go to these forums and you can lose a lot of money, or you can lose all your money. Okay? So, and this, if it is a broker, if you are trading like virtual, yes, virtual it is not dangerous because it's virtual. Now, E-Trade, I am using virtual accounts to do trades for my subscribers. Yes, it's just virtual. Okay, it's not real. But you do the trades and you see if you are making money or you are losing money, well, which is real in terms of what you do. You see that you are making money or you lose money. But it is not real money. It's just fake money. But it is real. It means in the sense, if you have done the same in your account, you will be making money or you losing money. It's the same thing. But these are called virtual accounts. You can check your broker if you have a virtual account, and you can play there. You do strategies, you do options, you do futures, you do whatever you want. You can practice like strategies, techniques, and you can do it as experimenting, okay? Doing experimentation. But when they sell to you that you will be making money for sure, this is a scam. If someone tells you there is a way to make money for sure, just do this and do this, understand that this guy is a scammer. And he can take all your money with whatever means. And if he has a website, he will just take down his website and you will never find him. Because sometimes you see website, you see it's good, you see that it is something, but in real it doesn't exist. It is not a business that you can check if it is business or no. Okay? Sometimes it is overseas. When it is overseas, it is a scam for sure. So understand that it is not you see a website or you see a forum or you see a Facebook forum or you see a lot of people, they talk, oh, this guy is making money, just go, $100 he can make $1,000, $10,000. All the people will come, but he will take all their money and then disappear. How do you get this money? How do you find him? Maybe he is in Africa or in Russia or in the jungle of Brazil. You can never find him. It's your money is gone and that's it. So it is very hard. So Naz or Daz, you should understand that you should not be with scammers. Now, if you have some information, please use my name, okay? Use my email. Send me an email, please. And please, guys, as I told you before, if you want to send me a Facebook message by my name, by my profile, you go to my profile. My name is Abdikarim Ramain. Okay? Abdikarim Ramain. And you go to my profile. You can just send me directly a message. and you explain to me where do you find these dark pools. I can check for you. I can even make a video on YouTube and explain these dark pools when I know what they are doing. Because for me it's very easy to know these people because they do scams. Scams is if someone is telling you that you will make money for sure, just go with us, it means that 100% he is a scammer. Whatever he tells you, whatever he shows you, whatever your friends has used, sometimes he give you $10, $20, $30 and he said you won. Now what does it mean? You put 100, he gives you another 100. Oh, you say, I make 100% in one day or a few days. So I need to bring him $5,000, $10,000. Then when you put this $10,000 in this account, and then the next day you don't find this guy. You send him an email, he doesn't respond. He put a phone, you find it is a Google phone. You know, anyone can make a Google phone that it is from here, from New York, from North Carolina, from Washington, by Google. It's a real number. You see that it's a real number, American number, but it doesn't exist in real. So all these are scams. Stay away from scams, whatever. And scams are very easy. If someone tells you that you will make money with him, for sure, understand that this is a scam. And if you put your money, understand that you will lose it. And if you lose it, you blame only yourself. Okay? NASA said on Friday, usually there is a reversal based on my observations. Yes, it's very good that you have observations, but if you make a rule, it will be very hard to prove it. If you make it a rule, I will show you something on Fridays. Let's say we take Dow Jones. So let's say we go to the daily. Let's say we see only Fridays, okay? This is a Friday, it's going down. A little bit, okay? $1, not big. Let's say another Friday. No, this Friday. 14th of February. It's going down. This Friday is going down. I'm looking right? Right. This Friday, it's going down. So where do you find that stocks are going up on Friday? This Friday, it's going down, the whole market. So the whole thing, so if you want to make a rule, it will not be valid. It means you are mistaken. But in some stocks, maybe, yes, maybe, they sell short, maybe. Yes, it could be. NASA said, can you check VIR? No, listen to me here. Listen. VIR, here we have a gap up. This is a news. This is not normal. This is just normal. Okay? And Friday, it lost 22.76%. $13. So all this gap up is missed here. Now, but this is a gap up. Yes, you can speak about this here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, yes, it's going up to some short, and then it's going down. And this is an IPO. I told you, some IPOs, sometimes they do good, which is very good. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much, here I showed you again. As you can see, this is an IPO. This is a earning news. The stock here was 34. It goes to 75. It means it doubled. This is an earning news. This is not normal. Not normal. This trading is normal, which is the market when it collapsed on Friday and it lost 22%. Okay? Thank you very much for giving me this thing. Top Series said, Timmy Amitrade is also a good broker. They have good scanner and mobile application. Do you ever trade using your smartphone? No, listen. First, why I should use a cell phone? Why? I have my own screen, which is very big. I should see the chart. I can put other screens. Why should I go to? I'm not a day trader or working in some place and I use to do a day trade. No, I don't use apps. No, I am an old-fashioned guy. I use my screen, my PC screen. Everything is in front of me. The chart is big. As I showed you, this is what I am feeling good. NASA said APT. Let's see other stocks. Thank you very much, NASA, for giving me these stocks because I didn't check. APT. Yes, APT was doing very good, and then Friday was bad. Yes, APT. Let's see another stock that you said. CODX. I think CODX. I see this before. Most of these stocks are the same. They have a gap up and then they go down. I don't know. But all these stocks are IPOs. IPOs, as you can see, they are very good. Okay, let's continue. Daz said, thanks, Karim. Yes, Daz, as I told you, you can send me where you find this group or this forum. And maybe I will make a video in YouTube and I will explain this because I am not aware of these scams. There are a lot and I am not following scams. I don't care about these guys, what we are doing. GBP stocks, hi. Thank you very much for coming, but you are late because we are 1 hour 42 minutes. We are nearly done. NASA said binary options are scams. Now listen, binary options or the other stuff. You know there is a lot of risk in options and you can lose your shirt. Because options, when you put your money, is 100% risk. 100% risk. So understand that options is leveraged. It's like forex, currency pairs, and futures. All these three are called leveraged. It means you have small money controlling big money. But understand that you can wipe out your account in few hours. You have 10,000, 20,000, 100,000. You stay a few hours, all your account will be zero. So understand that this is something so dangerous. If you know what you are doing, you can make money only when you know what you are doing and you know the risk. So don't play with something that you don't know. You should at least get a training, do it very, very short, like experimenting and then you understand how it is going and then you can trade, okay? Another good Corona stock, AHPI. Thank you, NASA, for all these stocks. Yes, but this stock, I think, 44%. These stocks, you see that? See, the stock has been doing nothing. $3, it goes to 17. From 17, it goes to 45. Yes, these are some IPOs and some companies that you should find them. You should find them on time, because this is a big thing. You don't know even what's going on in this. Is it a scam or is it something that people are following? You will never know. Okay, so be careful. But I know when you see something good and you expect that but you can. With my strategies, it means searching for stocks, you can find like this. Last year in my subscription, we'll find one. It was one of the best stocks. Each day it goes $15, $20 a day. And we have made a lot of money from it. But whenever the stock collapses, we just forget about this stock. O2, thank you O2 for coming. Have you heard of Renaissance Technologies? It's a fund that had a 71% annual return for 20 years. So it's okay, O2. I don't know about it. So can you send me the fund? I will check. I will check this fund. I will check it. Can you send me the ticker? It means the symbol. And okay. And you can send me an email. You can send me an email about this fund, and I will check it for you. Okay? Because don't believe what they say. It could be true. It could be true. HAPI seems like a pump and dump scheme. Yes. Almost all the stocks, like IPOs or some, it could be pumped, but sometimes there is earning news. So earning news, it is not pump and dump scheme. No, earning news is normal. There is something good about the company, any news that it is good earnings or something good companies, they do a lot of stuff, or they do another product, or they find another drug, and the FDA approve this. So when they hear the news, the stock can double, as we have seen. It's normal. The only thing that it is not normal is when there is no news. This is scams, pump and dump scheme. I am who I am said with binary options you can lose your shirt, pants, socks and underwear. Yes, it's very dangerous. Yes, thank you very much. Top Series said please talk about forex trading in next week live. So Top Series, I don't do leverage thing like forex or futures. I don't trade them. So if you want me to speak about them, they have the same techniques. Because when you do day trading, you go to my training, it's the same thing, the same candlesticks, the same thing. But the risk and how much money you make is big. You can make a lot of money and you can lose a lot of money. But you should be a day trader. Most of the time you should be a day trader. Some opportunities comes with the news, you can make a lot of money. So if I want to talk, I'm not a day trader in forex or futures, or even options. I don't do day trading. So I don't want to talk about something that I don't know. But the principles are the same. So I will be honest with you. Something that I didn't do, I know the principles, yes. I know the risk. We have more risk there than anyone else. That's why I don't want to go to there. I don't want to lose 20% or 30% in a trade or no. It doesn't help me this thing. Okay? Renaissance Technologies, he said, it is a private fund. Now, when it is a private fund, you will never know how much they make. And is it a hedge fund or is it a mutual fund? There are two ways. It could be what you are speaking about. It could be hedge fund. A hedge fund, yes. There are hedge funds. They do selling short. They do a lot of stuff and they can make a lot of money. Yes, they can. Some big traders. Yes, it's true. But I will check this fund that you told me. And if you send me an email, it will be good to check it for you. Thank you. Yes, I understand. A hedge fund, it's like Warren Buffett before, but Warren Buffett he doesn't sell short. He only goes long. Okay? He was like a hedge fund because he is trading money, not his money, but his money and other people's money. Okay? He is like a hedge fund, but he did not selling short. Now, for hedge fund, yes, they are private, but understand that in private they don't give information. They give only the information they want. If you want to know other information, they will never give it to you because they were not obliged by the Security Exchange Commission. Something is private. But if it is a hedge fund that it is working on stock market, like public, you can find information. You can see what they buy. You can see what they sell, especially when they have big positions. That's why when you want to buy a stock, they tell you, are you buying 10% of a stock? If you are buying 10% or bigger chunk of a stock, this should be reported you should report this to Security Exchange Commission. You should. It's the law. Because they should know who are you. They don't say why you buy or you sell whatever you want, but you should. That's why you find mutual funds. You find them as shareholders. You find them in Apple, Facebook, and other stocks. Okay. IBO did well last week. Top series said IBO. Let's see this IBO. Yes, almost all are the same. There is a news here. Here you should see news. All the stocks that they show me, all the stocks. I think we have seen this before. You see? There's only one candlestick, and then when this is a news, earning news, it goes 181%. It means you put $10,000, you will be getting $28,000 from 10,000. You get 28,000. Yes, it could be. Yes. But these are what I called you is earning news. So if it is earning news, it is special. And most of the stocks that I show that the guys have given me, almost all of them are earning news. There is something going on. It could be Corona news, antivirus news. It could be something like that. And these companies are working on these drugs. It could be, yes. O2 said, it is true if a stocks trading under $1 for 30 days, it gets delisted. Listen, for delisting stocks, it's the exchange who have rules. I don't know the rules, but you should see each stock, each exchange, what are the rules. But when they are small and they don't make money, they kick them out. Okay, they kick them out. That's why some stocks, sometimes when they are $10, they go to $5, $2. They do a reverse split. It means if the stock was $10 and now it is $2, now they are scared that their company will be kicked out from the exchange. $2, they do, for example, 5 to 1. 5 to 1, it means if you have 5 shares at $2, it becomes 1 share of $10. This is called reverse split, just to avoid problems with the exchange. But the exchange has rules, and it is stock. But I don't know if it is $1 or $2 or 50 cents. I don't know. Daz said, "Have a look at IPTO. Is it a buy?" Now listen, I can see it because okay, it was doing good, but this week is doing bad, so I have no idea where it goes. And understand, who is this? Daz. Listen, in order to know what we are going to do, you should either order my training or you should go to my subscription. You should be a subscriber, okay? Because I don't give recommendations here. Now, in my subscription, when we do stocks, okay, I give recommendation, but you should know my training. You should know what you are doing. It's not just you buy, okay, because whatever you buy, you succeed. No, some what you buy, okay, some that you buy doesn't work. So there is no sure thing. So either you should be a subscriber or you should order my training, okay? So you can Daz, because I think you have come before here. Daz, you should either be a subscriber or you should order my training, okay? This is what I suggest to you in order to follow me, because we show stocks to buy, we show what I buy, what I sell, like that. Jocelyn said, "Can you explain a stock that is oversold?" Listen, this is an indicator. Oversold, overbought, and it doesn't work. Okay? It doesn't work and it is just an indicator. So for me, I don't follow indicators. I follow my own strategies. So indicators, we have around 300 indicators. Each 1 year they bring another indicator. It means it is just a strategy. It can work a little bit, it doesn't work. So for me, I am not with indicators. I have my own criteria and my own tools that I use, and they are not indicators, okay? Thank you very much, Jocelyn. Top Series said, "What is the name of your chart you use?" This chart, I have a training. I give you the thing. You can check it, or you go online and they have training how to set it up. It works only with Internet Explorer. It doesn't work, or you can download it from the broker. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Now it is nearly 2 hours. Thank you very much, all of you guys. So please, if you want to see the solutions that I have proposed, you just go to my website. I just put the website. Okay, just go to the website and just take a look, and you can check my solutions. You can just try, or it's better when you are a subscriber or you have already bought my training. It will be very easy to follow me, because you will understand everything and you will follow, and you will have to take decision by yourself. Because for me, my goal is to make independent traders or investors, not to follow me for all the life. No, okay. Some they follow me because I give some information about the market, about stocks, and they like that. That's it. For example, last week I told them sell everything because I think the market is not doing good, and I am right, and the whole week was going down. So if they have stocks and they stay with them, they will lose a lot of money. So I save them money. And we have been in some stocks for many months, and some of my subscribers, they have made a lot of money. So it depends. It depends how you go and you do that. Okay? So guys, thank you very much. Those guys who come late, you can check tomorrow my live, and you can see the beginning, what I spoke about 2018 and 2019, that it is so different. And you see how I explained the 5 or 6 ways to make money from the market down, and this is what you should do. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and see you next week.